see a lion big and loud, roaring strong and feeling proud. In the jungle watching play, running, jumping all the day. Look, a monkey in the tree, swinging, laughing, wild and free. He eats bananas with a smile, then he sleeps a little while. Down the river swims a duck, quack, 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 what happy luck. Flapping wings and splashing too, playing in the water blue. Elephant with feet so wide, steps so big and eyes so kind. He waves his trunk and gives a cheer. Hello friends, I'm glad you're here. Animal friends, we love you all, big and small and short and tall. Let's be kind and always care for animals everywhere.